In this video, we want to find the equation of a curve that passes through the point 1, 0, has a tangent 6x plus y equals 6 at the point, and has a second derivative of 12x to the negative third power. The first step is let's use the tangent to find the slope of that tangent line. So we're given the tangent line is 6x plus y, 6. We can write this in the slope-intercept form, which is y equals negative 6x plus 6. And so the slope is negative 6, which means the derivative at the x value, which is 1, is equal to negative 6. Now we move on to the point here. So we know it passes through 1, 0. That's another point, by the way. So y of 1 is 0. And so we have the initial conditions now. Y of 1 is 0 and y prime 1 is negative 6. Now we look at the second derivative. So we're going to go from second derivative to first derivative to the original. So we integrate 12x to negative third using the power rule to end up with negative 6x to negative second plus a constant. Now we know that y prime of 1 is negative 6, so we plug that in. We have negative 6 equals negative 6 times 1 to the negative second power plus a constant. And the negative 6 is canceled, which means a constant is 0. So y prime is negative 6 over x squared. We will integrate this again to get y. And we end up with 6x to negative 1 plus a constant. But now we want to use the point 1, 0. So we plug in 0 for y, 1 for x, and end up with a constant being negative 6. So now we use this y, but plug in negative 6 for the constant, and we get our final answer as y equals 6 over x minus 6.